Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 357 of making an app to get people off of their phones and to end doom scrolling. Honestly, there's not much to say today. Um, I make a video every day, so pretty much nothing too crazy happens between day to day to day. And most of these videos are just for me to look back on later to see what was up and to realize that not much happens in a single day. It takes a lot of effort over many days to make things happen. But at the same time, everything happens in a single day. That being said, if you're watching this video right now and you're struggling to get off your phone, you can leave whenever you want. You can turn it off and you can find something better to do. You can try my app, or you could just go and do whatever that thing is that you need to do. And eventually, after just doing small parts of things that maybe you find hard now, it'll get easier, and you'll realize that it's actually a lot more fun to wake up early and work out, or work out in general, or read a book. These things can be really stimulating if you let them and if you give them the time. But at first they're not. Like meditating is painful for someone who's been scrolling on their phone for 2 years. Even for just 30 seconds, closing your eyes and trying not to think thoughts, trying to focus on your breath. That is hard. But you can do it, and you can transform your life in very little time, really. And I wanted to leave that message here today. And also, if you're watching this as a developer, someone trying to make something, you can start building something today. You can learn something today. And maybe you won't make $1 million in the next 30 days, but if you want to get anywhere next year, you have to start today, because reality is laggy. It just is. I've been seeing a lot of success lately, but that's only because a year ago I was doing things that didn't give me anything in the moment, and they were all for today. The things I did a year ago brought me to today, not the things I did yesterday. But yesterday also matters. So every day matters, make it count. And that's all I have for today. I'm not going to show you the app. I haven't really done anything in literal weeks on it because I've been working on some other stuff. I've just been marketing the app, which turns out is the most important part if you want to get people to use it and actually make a difference. So, although it doesn't seem very fancy, romantic, amazing to market an application, it is still a critical component. And if you are by yourself, you need to do that. So I've been focusing more on that. And looky here, it's more important apparently than building the app at this point, because the app is completely built. It is functional, it works. Yes, it could be better, but it does a thing and it helps people. And now I just have to tell people about that. I will be making the app better, but for now, my main focuses are on marketing and getting it out there. So these videos aren't very entertaining. My videos every day that I'm actually making about the app on Instagram, they're not very entertaining. I'm gonna be honest, I need to spice it up a bit. I'm gonna figure that out. But I'm really just trying to put a message out there every day that you can get off your phone, you can do something, you want to do it, and you can have a enjoyable life. And why not? Right? Why not? Why not you? So that's really it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk, and I will see you guys in the next video. Or maybe I won't. Shout out to Brian again. Love you, Brian. Take care of the cows. And I'll see you guys later.